This is my audition for 7 Super LPS. The reason why I want to be on 7 Super LPS is because I like to watch 7 Super Girls, and when I saw the update video that Sabrina LPS did, I was like, oh my god, I want to audition for 7 Super LPS, and yeah. So I'm gonna describe to you a little bit about my personality. I like to be creative. I don't like to copy others. I don't like to lie. I like to be girly. My favorite color is purple, sky blue, neon pink. During my free time, I play with my Lily's Pet Shops. I take videos. I read books. I go YouTube to check out my Littlest Pet Shop channel, Littlest Pet Shop Fan TV, and also to see Littlest Pet Shop videos. Also, my favorite Littlest Pet Shops are Dachshunds, Great Danes, cats, Cocker Spaniels, and a lot more. My favorite Littlest Pet Shop channels are Sabrina LPS, Sophie GTV, LPS 23 Lover, Eliza LPS, a lot more. If I make it through, I would like to be on any day of the week. I would prefer most Friday, but Friday or Monday, either of that, but I can do videos any day of the week, because sometimes Monday I can, Tuesday I cannot, Wednesday I can, Thursday I cannot. It's like sometimes it's like that, because the iPad is with my father and he brings it to work, so sometimes he comes late, so I can't film videos on it. So sometimes I can't, sometimes I can. So I prefer any day of the week, and I really hope I get through. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye.